Good and blessed day, everyone out there, and happy Saturday. This is your host and career supporter, Eric, with the Homework Now YouTube channel, where we scout, research, and provide at home, hybrid business opportunities, side hustles, and career resources for the everyday workers. We have some exciting opportunities today, and today is Saturday. So, you know what that means Side Hustle Saturday. But before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to get the latest info from Homework Now. All right, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so I have a really cool opportunity for you today. If you are into fitness and health, nutrition, staying fit, working out, ever try to become a certified fitness instructor? That seems like a really cool opportunity. I mean, everybody needs to be concerned about the health, keeping fit, losing weight. Everybody's concerned about that. But actually going the extra distance, extra effort to help others do that is also a really cool opportunity. So, becoming a certified NASTA certified fitness professional. So this is from NASTAcertified.com. They specialize in helping individuals obtain their certification in personal training, nutrition and health, and also work with fitness companies to help the overall health of people. So let's take a look at their website. This seems like really cool. So, certified personal trainer. You have certified fitness trainer certification, master personal trainer certification, and you also have the requirements to become part of the certified board details. So let's take a look at the website. Training and certification courses. So of course, you want to be accredited when you're working with others. Well, really in anything that you are dealing with others and helping them on a personal level, you want to be certified. You want to be properly trained, whether it's in health or fitness or just even health teachers, everything. You want to be trained. And so that's what NASTA provides. They provide you with training so you from accredited training sources to become the right certified personal fitness trainer. So get skills and credentials you need to transform lives with our online personal training certification program. And that's the one thing that I want to note is that all the courses are actually online. So you can, from the comfort of your home, get your certification and really start, as soon as possible, once you get your certification. Earn your credential as a certified fitness nutrition coach because it's not only just about working out or going to the gym or just working out personally with a personal trainer. It also is a nutrition health. We have to eat the right things. We not stay away from all the sugars and the processed food. You have to do that associated with also training and exercising. Then also you'll be a certified master personal trainer. Take your career to the next level with our advanced online personal training certification. So this is really cool. So trusted by over 50,000 trainers and coaches globally. That's just not nationally, globally. Here's why Nesta is, I hope I'm saying that Nesta is for you. So it's 100% online, easily accessible, science-based education, committed to supporting our members, emphasis on practical application, strong business curriculum to help ensure our success. Also, you can take a look at some of the vision plans of what they are entrusted to do. So at NASTA, we're dedicated to helping fitness professionals grow as leaders and motivators in health, nutrition, fitness, and wellness. With a rich history of 32 years, think about that, guys, 32 years pioneering organizational achievement, we remain committed to advancing the field and supporting certified fitness instructors. So they are all about just, helping you get your certification so you can go out, you can, like I said, do this on the side, earn some extra money in helping others get healthier and more fit. Our vision connects the skills and commitment needed to address global health and fitness needs with the communities we serve and in the industry we represent. Nesta will continue developing fitness professionals who are trained to exceed client expectations. Okay, so and then these are a lot of the accreditations that they have received, accreditations and recognition. So that's very impressive. Whether it's from even from the Air Force, that's amazing. So yeah, I will go to on the. I'm gonna leave everything in this video, but then let's go further into this website about becoming a certified fitness professional. So, earn your professional trainer course certification. So, from an accredited program like Nesta, the fitness industry only 4 year NCCA accredited. Wow, professional training service. So this is the only one that does a 4 year accredited training. Earn your certification with confidence. Okay, wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, so train differently. Transform lives. Get certified as professional fitness trainer with Nesta Applied Learning Methods. So we have poured all of our training and certification knowledge into our best certified personal trainer certification program. Upon completion, you will be able to let's go through the results. So you'll be able to conduct accurate evaluations of clients' fitness goals, guide your better health, fitness, and skills to craft realistic and actionable goals. You can also tailor fitness training workouts to meet each client's unique needs and goals, supported by solid scientific principles. Master exercise programs and techniques with precision and motivate effectively using biomechanics and principles of motivation. Also, you'll be able to clarify your personal scope of practice and align with NESA's code of ethics. Empower yourself for success in the NCCA accredited professional fitness certification exam, meeting all standards outlined by the NCCA for certification program accreditation. Interview for employment opportunities at a top nationwide health clubs, and fitness centers, including Anytime Fitness, Lifetime Fitness, Fitness 19, LA Fitness, 24 Hour Fitness, and many, many more. So that's they cover everything from certification to you have a code. You definitely have to have a code of ethics when dealing with fitness or with any job. So that's just amazing on what they are all about. So begin your journey to become a NCCA accredited certified personal fitness trainer. Follow guidance from our team of Nesta experts who share their wealth of knowledge and expertise. So let's take a look. So you have to have so after you going through the training, of course, you have to take your exams. You can see what the prices are for the exams that you are taking. But just it may seem expensive, but look at what they cover. They cover a lot for you, and they make sure that you have the proper certification. And then also they have a payment plan for that if you can pay a price up front. So why choose NESA Certified Personal Fitness Training Program? The price, you check out the price. It's a 4 year validity, so your certification lasts 4 years and probably have the renewal, but others don't even last 4 years. And also it is accepted by many fitness clubs and gyms worldwide. Probably I would say even across the country and worldwide. You also get support from from NESA. It's fully accredited to accreditation, and you can do 100% online. So in the comfort of your home, you can actually work on getting your personal fitness training certification, and then start your personal business whenever you finish. So these are some of the fitness clubs that they work with: Equinox, Lifetime, Fitness 19. I've never heard of Fitness 19 before, but it seems interesting. Okay. So let's go. Yeah, let's go and check this out. This seems so cool. So, and then also they actually have a section on their website that posts jobs. So if maybe you want to, even as a personal trainer, you want to get maybe like a part-time, part-time job or personal training job with a company, not necessarily, you maybe not ready to start your own business, but if you want to find a job somewhere, to get some extra experience, then they have actually job boards for you to go and see what they have listed at different fitness centers and gyms. Like I said, Lifetime Fitness, LA Fitness, Anytime Fitness, 24 Hour Fitness, and Equinox. So they have a lot of things on their web. And then also like those gyms, they can also post jobs to look for certified trainers that have gone through their schooling and have gone through their training system. So this is like I said, if you have that niche to to help people, help people get their fitness goals. I mean, this is a good opportunity. But let's go to actual going to the actual courses and right. So you can see the courses that they have available as far as like nutrition. Nutrition is always important. So fitness nutrition coach training course, sports nutrition specialist, lifestyle and weight management coach training. Yeah, so yeah, fitness and weight management is very, very important. Becoming core conditioning specialist, biomechanics, human movement kinesiology. I can't say the word, but speed and agility and quickness. So basically, like probably for your track athletes, track trainers, speed and agility is all, or even like high jumpers or like track and field. That's definitely important. Heart rate fitness training certification. If you're trying to um, maybe you're trying to increase your heart functions, that would be an awesome certification to get in. And then MMA, like, look, MMA is huge. Cage fighting. I mean, but you have to be trained for that. MMA conditioning associated coach certification. And that's definitely a high dollar sporting industry. Is very can be very violent, but I mean, you're training in that field. MMA, boxing, all that good stuff. You can be certified in that to be a coach for that. That's what is the amazing thing about this program, and that's specialty training. So you have a GLB1 exercise specialty certificate, sports yoga instructor certification as well. Kettlebell. That's you usually don't see that a lot. Group exercise instructor training program. Triathlon training. Triathlons are big. I think I want to say it's triathlons are biking, um, swimming, and I think running. I want to say I think that's what triathlons. I'm gonna have to you have to look that up and see what it is. But they also have you become a triathlon training coach for that sport. That's amazing. And then also you have different resources. Make sure you get your certification verification. Create your perfect fitness career path, business centers, job boards, blogs. And they also have a 1-887 number, a hotline number you can call for any technical support or anything of the sort to help you in your path to become a personal trainer. Wow, I mean, I'm telling you, this is the complete package here with Nesta. They are, like I said, they are the only 4-year NCCA accredited personal training course or personal training institution. Like I said, if you love working out, fitness training, helping others to become healthy, how about as even starting at, like I said, as a part-time or side hustle opportunity, become a personal trainer. Help those, start by helping those in your family, maybe in your neighborhood, your neighbors. Stay healthy. Start a workout club, a fitness club, so you won't start on it or work on it alone. You always want to have support. This seems like a really good opportunity for you. If you like helping others and staying fit. So for today's side hustle Saturday opportunity, becoming a certified fitness professional with Nesta. Go to their website, check it out. Like I say, if you love working out, being fit, like I believe everybody should want to stay healthy. This may be the opportunity, side hustle opportunity for you. And to make some extra money, but also at the same time, staying healthy, staying fit. I will leave a link for all these sublinks in the description below. And please, if you want to, have an opportunity to make some extra money to have fun and work out and help others do the same, this may be the opportunity for you. So go ahead, check out these links today and see if this would be a good fit for you to make some extra side hustle cash. Well, guys, thank you so much for checking out this review of this Side Hustle Saturday opportunity. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and please check this opportunity to see if it is a good fit for you. and for your extra money goals. Thanks again. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next week. All right, guys, take care.